Shubor nakashlem jong unong san Hima.
President ke United Democratic Party uba Ahmed ba lingdo ule tho ba ka yeng dor bar thau ain ka jela ka shim da karai ling ba ka jings kham jingmut jong baro handu phongut ki MLA bat kabala pharu shaga sorkar pedeng habede ba ka jingdawa ban Pyntreikam no ya ka line permit hapo ka jela haba kran shikla pathai ko bor ha khat phra tarik jeliu har jar pusan uba Ahmed ba ula ong ban ka liang menteri rang ba ka jela ba ka kenhun menteri ru ki don ni ka ju ka jing Angnud ba ka jingkwa bat kila yai bot dien ru halor kani kamat na kapor sha kapor halor ka jing penslam ban Pyntreikam mek ILP uba Ahmed ba ula ong ba jing Pyntreikam mek MRSSA kan Ïarap ban wengi ka jing e ki bede ba jing wan tu ki breu Nabar sha kani ka jela ngam EAA ka babakla hak MRSSA ngila ban yo e ka ju ban pen ba kinu ki rukom Pyntreikam ban ki rukom penyat habede ba jing wan rung Kyrthep ki breu ki Nabar ka jela ong uba Ahmed ba habakli halor ka jing penslam ban Pyntreikam mek ILP hapo ka jela Balbanyo e jimenjur na ka sorkar pedeng uba Ahmed ba ula ong ba ka sorkar jela ka haban buddian biang ni ka kam na kapor syakapor bat ong balesi ka sorkar pedeng kala banyo I ki katu ka ni ki benta ki baranjing e ka bawan ni tungkhu bat ki an ka sorkar pedeng ban Pyntreikam mek ILP da ka babenrap balada don kinu ki jingwet ka don kam ban penbet biang kumta ka benta ka haban penbet lada ja ba ka don ke ka bakhanglat e ka sorkar ban ya chakmat Bat ngati kena badai bandan kadu kena gimat nigi jing khanglat ki badai shibenta jong ta jing Pyntreikam ka baka sorkar pedeng ka persang ban pet benya ong uba Ahmed ba
For ILP implementation in the state, cabinet has in fact decided to strengthen MRSSA. What do you think about ILP?
See, ILP, I would like to remind that the House of 60 members have taken a decision through a resolution which the same has been sent to the ministry, Government of India. And we have seen that even the Chief Minister, Cabinet Ministers also, they are pursuing the same, right from that point of time till to today. Now with regards to MRSSA, I don't see anything wrong with it. They can always get the same in place to see that whatever process and the system that has to be followed as far as the influx is concerned, I think it is going to help it in whatever way right now.
ILP, in fact, despite the fact that the resolution was passed in the assembly, it has not reached its logical conclusion as this is pending in MHA still. And do you think that, what do you think about it? And also that, do you think that MRSSA can be taken, can replace ILP demand, or is it over ILP demand?
You see, I mean, state government has to pursue the matter again and again. There's no harm for it. There are few areas of concern, perhaps, which conflicts with the, central law. That aspect has to be sorted out in case if it is there. And whatever that stop the government to go ahead with it is because of, I'm sure there must be some constraint and some issues which are part of that, exercise that central government is trying to look into.
So just